Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start active noise cancellation maintenance by updating iOS and your headphones firmware so both sides speak the same language. Once done, charge devices fully and toggle Bluetooth off then on to re-establish clean pairing. Make sure to close background audio or podcast apps that interfere with microphone sampling and briefly toggle airplane mode to reset radios. This reduces transient noise issues before you move into deeper settings and diagnostics. Now refine noise cancellation by selecting your device in Bluetooth settings and choosing noise control options. You'll switch between transparency and noise cancellation while listening for differences. Once you select noise cancellation, test in both quiet and noisy spaces to confirm ANC is actively reducing low-frequency hums. This reveals whether fit or software is the issue. If performance varies, recalibrate by cleaning microphones, swapping ear tips, and repairing. The physical seal and mic clarity strongly affect how well ANC works. Finish by confirming persistent improvements. Reboot the iPhone, then test ANC with known noisy sources like traffic or HVAC. If problems remain, reset network settings or factory reset the headphones and repair. This clears corrupted profiles that disrupt ANC. If the issue persists, try the headphones with a different iPhone to isolate whether the accessory or phone is at fault. Quick troubleshooting tip. If ANC stutters, clean all mic ports and ear cup seals. Debris and pore seals are the most common causes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.